Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen. Today is an absolute beautiful day. We have the newest Ekster Cardholder Pro in front of us in multiple colors. We're going to show you those and all the new features of these beautiful wallets. They have some sweet upgrades, which makes the Pro models, and we're going to talk all about those in this video. So right here on the left is the desert red, and it's going to be more of like a maroon color. Again, kind of a desert vibe to it, so don't think like red, think more maroon. And of course the cash strap on there as well. And then we also have electric yellow and carbon forged. So as we get these out, great news for you guys, the viewer. Top link in the description box right below the video, top link is going to be a direct link to get 10% off no matter what is on their website. Using that direct link, if you decide to purchase a wallet or any of their other gear, that link once again will take 10% off of your purchase. That is absolutely fantastic. Especially, I have their backpack as well, and they make solid products. So, okay, this is the carbon forged. You get a little pamphlet right on the top right there. And let's just set the desert red off to the side briefly here. It's going to do it for the package. Now, the biggest upgrade to the Cardholder Pro is going to be a metal button, which is absolutely fantastic. That, obviously, those are just kind of your play cards right there. But the metal button and mechanism inside, so again, a metal push button and a metal mechanism inside is going to keep your wallet functioning beautifully and absolutely fantastic. So again, you get the cash strap. This is a stock wallet. You can do add-ons, of course, if you want the money clip, etc. But you got a little extra logo right on top. This is kind of a silicone band that goes around the back end of your expansion plate here for more cash, more cards. We'll show you that here in just a second. But the biggest feature, once again, is going to be all of your cards. Now, the Ekster Cardholder Pro can handle up to 14 cards, 1 to 14 cards, just slipping right back inside right there. Now, the expansion plate does come off if you want to remove that. And here's your expansion plate here. And then, of course, this is RFID protected. So if you really want to thin it down, then you literally just take this with you right here. You can throw the cash strap back on if you want to have cash in there as well. But if you want a super minimalistic look, then you rock it without the expansion plate. Now it's a little bit tricky with the lighting coming in the window for the forged carbon, but you can see it just briefly kind of right here. There we go. There's your forged carbon look to it right there. Beautiful. It's kind of subtle, but it hits hard and it looks absolutely gorgeous. Very small Ekster logo right here on the edge. And again, with your upgraded metal push button. Let's go ahead and load this guy up. Okay, it's loaded up here without the expansion plate, so I'm going to give you a couple options here. Again, it has the cash band right here. I have 5 bills, and you just fold it in thirds, as you can see here. And you can put, obviously, the cash on the front or the back, whatever you want. And then our push button. So I got 6 cards in here right now, including my Crypto.com metal card, which is inside right here. And let's go ahead and just show you the features of the wallet. So what I particularly do is your most used card on the front or on the very back. Easy to take out. There's your Costco card right there. Slip it back in just like this while the cards are still out, and then inserts back in. Most used card on the front, coming back in and inserting it in just like this here, swapping them around. So again, you guys get the idea, flipping it out, putting it back in. And the easiest thing to do once again is when your cards are still out, you fish it in the back, put it back in, or vice versa for the front, coming around to the front, putting it back just like that there. Again, let's just go ahead and take a look at it whipping in and out as it spreads your cards out. Okay, the expansion plate is on, and my cash is still underneath, as you can see here. Of course, you can load up more credit cards and cash with that expansion plate. So it still has a beautiful, clean look to it. You can't see the cash. If you want to see the cash, you could pull it down and kind of keep it like that there. So you could easily just pull it out or push it back in when you are done. Looking absolutely fantastic there. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, it is time for the electric yellow here. Same brochure, go ahead and get that out. And the electric yellow comes with a little bit of tissue paper, very nice. Oh, that's a beaut right there. Look at the electric yellow with the black band. Little Ekster logo right on top right here. Coming around a very subtle Ekster right here, expansion plate. This looks beautiful with the black accents to it. Metal push button, metal mechanism inside. recycled aluminum on the outside of it here, looking absolutely stunning. Loading this guy up, same method applies. It's the exact same thing. It's just in a beautiful new color. And then just briefly looking at the desert red, if you are interested, there is a better look at that maroon color. Absolutely stunning. White logo right here, flipping it around. Beautiful, beautiful wallet. No matter what color you do get, they are gorgeous. Upgraded metal button. I keep saying it, but it is a pleasure to do business with you, my friend. Look at that. Well, folks, once again, no matter what you decide to go with, the electric yellow looks so cool in person. Forged carbon, subtle, beautiful, especially if the light hits it just right. Desert red is a beautiful color as well. I'd say probably my favorite is the electric yellow. If you like loud colors, I'd say second is the forged carbon, and then third is going to be the desert red, in my personal opinion. But no matter what wallet you do go with, again, use my link, direct link in the description box below of this video. Grab your 10% off. That's a great deal. Add on a wallet tracker, your money clip, any additional add-ons that might suit your needs, or just use it exactly how this is with the expansion plate, etc. If you guys wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up button on the way out, helps the channel. Also, definitely share this with a friend if they are interested in getting their hands on an Ekster wallet. They're having some fantastic sales depending on when you are watching this. And also subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. We're going to be reviewing more Ekster products. And also check out my channel. I've reviewed all of their duffel bags, weekender bags, backpack, their leather wallets, etc. They make great products, guys. We'll see you on the next video. My name is Chris. Take care for now. Bye-bye.